Welcome to your AI Career Blueprint for 2026. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate the AI revolution with confidence and build the future you deserve. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the AI Education and Career Guidance series. By 2026, artificial intelligence will be the foundation of countless new careers. The question is, will you be prepared to seize the opportunities it creates? This video unveils the roles, skills, and strategic moves you need to dominate the AI-driven future. We begin with Chapter 1, the AI Revolution, looking beyond the hype to understand what is really happening in 2026 and why it matters to your career. In 2026, AI has moved far beyond simple algorithms. We see concrete applications in manufacturing, healthcare, and finance, fundamentally changing how work gets done. Understanding these shifts is essential for positioning yourself in the new economy. Let's dispel the job displacement myth. AI is driving job evolution, not just mass elimination. While repetitive tasks are being automated, new positions are emerging that require uniquely human skills, like judgment and creativity, working alongside AI. We see a shift from automation of repetitive tasks to the amplification of strategic decision-making and creative ideation. This evolution also creates new roles in AI system design and ethical governance. Now is the critical time. Professionals who pivot in 2026 will enjoy significant advantages, like premium salaries and the ability to shape emerging roles. Waiting until 2028 means competing with thousands who already have years of experience. The early mover advantage in AI careers is about becoming the expert others will learn from tomorrow. Chapter 2 dives into emerging roles, your future in AI. We will explore the high-demand positions that will define the next era of work. High-demand AI-centric roles include the AI ethicist, guiding moral complexities, the advanced prompt engineer, optimizing enterprise AI communication, and the AI systems integrator, bridging diverse platforms for seamless data flow. The most exciting opportunities are hybrid roles, combining domain expertise with AI capability. An AI-powered marketing strategist, for example, architects marketing systems using AI-driven insights and hyper-personalization. Another crucial hybrid role is the AI-enhanced healthcare consultant. They translate between clinicians and data scientists to implement AI diagnostic tools and optimize patient care workflows, enhancing the human touch in medicine. Other roles poised for explosive growth include the AI security specialist, the AI training and change manager, and the AI compliance officer, with projected growth up to 420% by 2028. Industry-specific AI opportunities are emerging everywhere. The key is identifying the intersection between your existing industry knowledge and new AI capabilities. This unique combination is your competitive advantage. Chapter 3 covers essential skill sets, future-proofing your career. We will examine the technical and human capabilities that will make you indispensable. Core technical skills rely on 3 pillars: advanced data literacy, MLOps knowledge for understanding deployment and maintenance, and generative AI proficiency, including prompt engineering and multimodal AI. Advanced data literacy in practice includes data interpretation to identify biases, statistical thinking to distinguish correlation from causation, and visualization mastery to create compelling data stories. Adopting an MLOps mindset means understanding the machine learning lifecycle, from experimentation to monitoring. Familiarity with concepts like model versioning and performance monitoring helps you collaborate effectively and make informed decisions. Crucial soft skills are your human edge. As AI handles routine tasks, adaptability, critical thinking, and ethical reasoning become core to your value proposition and make you truly irreplaceable. Adaptability is your superpower. This cycle involves learning new technologies, applying them to problems, reflecting on outcomes, and evolving your approach. The continuous learning imperative is vital, as technical skills change rapidly. Develop a sustainable learning practice by dedicating weekly time to skill development, experimenting with tools, and earning relevant micro-credentials. Strategic micro-credentials include foundation certifications in AI literacy, specialized credentials focusing on your niche, and advanced certifications in areas like AI ethics or MLOps for differentiation. Chapter 4 covers strategic pivots, navigating the transition. This section outlines your roadmap from where you are today to where you want to be tomorrow. Start by analyzing your starting point. Take inventory of your technical skills, identify your domain expertise, and assess your soft skills. This honest assessment is crucial for mapping your journey. You have more relevant experience than you realize. Identify your transferable strengths. Reframing your background in AI-relevant terms, like seeing an analyst as a potential data scientist, creates a unique, valuable proposition. The reskilling pathway can be broken into phases: foundation in months 1 and 2, specialization in months 3 and 4, application and certification in months 5 and 6, and finally, transition and job application in months 7 and 8. There is no single path to AI competency. Degrees provide theory. Boot camps offer rapid skill acquisition, and self-study maximizes flexibility. The best approach often combines structured learning with ongoing personal effort. Your learning choice depends on your timeline, budget, and goals. Boot camps offer a strong balance of speed and structure for rapid entry into AI roles. Commit fully, whichever path you choose. Leveraging networking in the AI ecosystem is essential. Technical skills get you in the door, but relationships get you hired. Engage actively in online communities, attend meetups, and participate in competitions. When seeking mentors, identify individuals who match your goals and values. Always offer value first, and focus on building genuine relationships to earn trust and rapport. Chapter 5 is your AI career compass, next steps. We'll turn knowledge into action with a personalized roadmap. To create your plan, first define a specific goal, like AI implementation manager in healthcare within 18 months. Then, map out required skills and experiences into measurable quarterly milestones. Schedule dedicated time weekly and track your progress monthly. Essential resources are available across several categories. Use platforms like deeplearning.ai for learning. Engage with the AI community on LinkedIn and Twitter, and utilize specialized job boards like AI Jobs. Stay current through newsletters and podcasts. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. The AI revolution is here. Define your goal, complete a foundation course, build a project, and earn your specialty certification. Your better life starts with the decision to begin. The future is AI-powered. Make sure you are too.